Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today, I'm making my family's favorite, fluffy scrambled eggs. This recipe is so easy to make and it takes you no time. So go ahead, have fun, and watch the video. I'm using 4 large pasteurized eggs, and you can use whatever eggs you have. It's a habit, always got to take the eye out or the white part out. And I'm just adding a little bit of lemon juice just to take the rawness out. This is something I always do, and we're just going to fluff that up. I'm just putting also a tablespoon of butter and just a little bit of avocado oil. Make sure your heat is on low heat to medium, and once it's set, your eggs start to set, you want to move it around slowly. And as you can see, it's getting nice and fluffy, so it's almost ready. And this is how I like it. Now you can have it on some bagels, some toast, avocados, however you like it. Just enjoy it with some salt and pepper. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching.